Hello students, this is chemistry session for class 10th. Today I am going to discuss some important questions from first chapter in chemistry, chemical reactions and equations. So let us see. The question is, on heating blue colored copper second nitrate in a boiling tube, black copper oxide, oxygen and brown colored gas X is released. Identify the type of chemical reaction and the brown colored gas X. Second one is write balanced chemical equation for the reaction, and third is write the pH range of the brown colored pH range of gaseous solution of the gas X. So let us see. First part is identify the type of reaction. So the solution is in first part type of reaction is thermal decomposition, and the gas X is NO2, nitrogen dioxide. Write balanced chemical equation. Now you can see here copper second nitrate is heated. So CuNO3 whole twice, it is copper second nitrate. When it is heated, yellow color lead oxide is formed, NO2, brown colored fumes release, and that is of nitrogen dioxide along with oxygen gas. This is balanced chemical equation for the reaction, and third part is write pH range of gaseous solution of X. Since NO2 gas is acidic in nature, so its solution will be acidic. Therefore, the pH range will be between 0 to 7, or you can say less than 7. So this is the complete solution for this question. Actually, brown colored gas is nitrogen dioxide. Okay, and this reaction, because lead nitrate is heated and it breaks into one or more products, so this is actually thermal decomposition, and the brown colored gas X is nitrogen dioxide. On the other hand, the balanced chemical equation is this, and third one is pH range of this brown colored gas X. Actually, nitrogen dioxide is a non-metal oxide, and so it is acidic in nature, and that's why when it is dissolved in water, the solution will be acidic, and so the pH range should be between 0 to 7, or you can say the pH range should be less than 7. Now you can take a screenshot of this. Now another question is, two gram ferrous sulfate is heated in a boiling tube. A write two observations. Second part is state the type of chemical reaction. Third part is write balanced chemical equation for the reaction. Okay. 2 gram ferrous sulfate is heated in a boiling tube. As we know, ferrous sulfate crystals are in light green color. Write two observations. So the solution for the first part, two observations are: number one, reddish brown colored residue is left number 2, the smell of burning sulfur comes out. Okay, so these are the two observations, and second part is state the type of chemical reaction. Ferrous sulfate is heated. So this is actually thermal decomposition. And next one is write balanced chemical equation for the reaction. So ferrous sulfate FeSO4, when it is heated, iron third oxide is formed in the form of reddish brown colored residue, and along with the release of sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide gases. This is balanced chemical equation. Now you can see here is single reactant, and on heating it breaks into 3 products. So this reaction is actually thermal decomposition, because in the presence of heat a single substance breaks into 2 or more substances. Okay. The reddish brown colored residue means when ferrous sulfate is heated, actually first of all its green color fades up, and then on strong heating reddish brown colored residue is left. Okay, and this is of iron third oxide. Now you can take a screenshot of it. Now the next question is, copper second nitrate is heated in a boiling tube. a black colored identify the type of chemical reaction. First is CaO quicklime plus water. It forms CaOH whole twice. Next is BaCl2 aqueous plus sodium sulfate aqueous. It forms BaSO4 white precipitate plus NaCl, sodium chloride aqueous. Next one is zinc plus copper sulfate aqueous. It forms zinc sulfate aqueous plus copper in solid. Next one is CuO plus H2. It forms Cu plus H2O. So identify these chemical reactions. Now see, first one is CaO plus H2O. This is CaOH whole twice. You can see in this there is single product is formed in this reaction. So this is combination reaction. Second part, barium chloride and sodium sulfate solutions are mixed up. A white precipitate of barium sulfate is formed along with sodium chloride. So actually there is exchange of ions between these two compounds, and as a result two new compounds are formed. So this is double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. And third part is zinc pieces when dipped in aqueous solution of copper sulfate, the copper becomes free, and so this is displacement reaction, and the last one is, you can see copper oxide, it is getting reduced into copper, and hydrogen, it is getting oxidized into water. So actually this one is oxidation reduction reaction, oxidation reduction reaction. Okay. So now you can take a screenshot of it. Now this class is over here, and we will discuss some other important questions in the next class. Thank you, students.